Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to do a Tunisian crochet Entrelec stitch pattern, which means to interlace or interlaced. I'd like to give a big shout out to my friend Julie from CROCHET.com who taught me how to more properly say Entrelec. We're just making a small sample with this, so find about 4 colors of medium worsted weight scrap yarn and a size H hook. I'm starting off with the blue yarn, and I'll make 4 diamonds on this row. Chain 37, or you can use any multiple of 9 plus 1 for this particular pattern. This is a more advanced technique, so it's not exactly easy for beginners. One thing to remember in this pattern, everything will be done in groups of 5. Let's draw up loops in the next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, take off loops in groups of 2, including that first set. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, draw up 5 more loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that 5th one will be in the chain. Take off in groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3rd row, same thing. Draw up 5 loops with that 5th one being in the chain. Take off in groups of 2 loops. 2, 3, 4, and 5. For this 4th row, do this whole thing again. Draw up 5 loops. Take off in groups of 2 loops. For our 5th and final row, we're going to slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the chain. Here's our first diamond. Now, let's make the 2nd diamond. Draw up a loop in the next 5 chains. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and take off the loops in groups of 2. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Repeat this whole process again. Draw up loops. Take them off in groups of 2. Our final 5th row will be 5 slip stitches with the 5th slip stitch in the chain. Continue making 2 more diamonds using this process. Now, our 2nd row is a bit more complicated because we have 5 diamonds, so the first and last diamond will be made a bit differently. Place a slip knot on your hook with the pink color yarn and make a slip stitch into the very bottom of that first diamond. Now, chain 5 and 5. Draw up loops in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that fifth one is going to be at the base of the attached slip knot. And take off in groups of 2. Draw up loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one goes in the side of the diamond. Take off in groups of 5. Draw up 5 loops again. With that fifth one going in the side of the diamond. Take off in groups of 5. You'll make 4 rows of this modified Tunisian simple stitch. And then, for the 5th row, slip stitch over the next 5 stitches. 3, 4, and place that 5th slip stitch into the blue diamond. To make the second diamond, we're going to work the Tunisian simple stitch along the blue diamond in this direction. Draw up loops in the next 5 stitches, and the 5th one at the bottom of the next blue diamond. Take off in groups of 2, 4, and 5. After 4 rows with this diamond, work 5 slip stitches for row 5. You can see how all of the Tunisian vertical bars line up. Make 2 more pink diamonds, and then I'll show you how to do this last diamond. Do your normal drawing up of loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's the end, just do your 5th loop at the very edge like this. And take off in groups of 2 as always. And remember, your final 5th row will always be slip stitches over the next 5 stitches. The green row, or 3rd row, will be just like the blue row, with just 4 diamonds on it. In this case, we'll insert our hook at the top of the pink diamond like this. Sometimes you have to stop and think where to put these stitches, but I find that when you look at a sample, like the one I've been showing in my video, it helps a lot. With the green, draw up 5 loops like you've been doing. And take them off in groups of 2. And then move over like this to do the second green diamond. You'll have 4 green diamonds on this row. For the yellow row, we'll need to repeat exactly what we did for the pink row. Slip stitch into the bottom, this time of the green diamond, and chain 5. Draw up loops and take them off just like in the pink row. And that's the basics of Entrelec crochet. It definitely takes a little bit of practice, but after a few rows, you'll see the pattern and know precisely where to start and where to finish each of the diamonds.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.